Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be packing up all of my fall decor and getting my house ready for Christmas. So I'm going to start in the family room by removing all of these pumpkins. So in the midst of me cleaning the family room, I was looking at the kitchen and I decided that I wanted to paint the family room the same color as the kitchen. Because I have an open floor plan, looking at the color of this wall in comparison to how good it looks in the kitchen, I just had to change it. So I am about to completely rearrange everything all over again just to paint the walls in this space before I start decorating for Christmas. And yes guys, I am painting around the TV. I am not taking this TV down to paint this wall, so I'm trying to get as close to the edge of it as possible. And you can't even see that it's not painted, so it's perfectly fine to me. So these are all the pumpkins that are left over from the living room and the kitchen area. And so I'm going to take them and wrap them in this craft paper and put them in the bin to go up in the attic. So whenever I paint, the ceiling is usually the last part that I do because I have to tape it off. I don't tape off the bottom of the wall near the crown molding because I'm able to keep a pretty steady hand to do the bottom trim. But for the ceiling, I always just like to tape it off just to make sure that I don't accidentally get any paint on the white ceiling. Alright guys, so this is what the family room looks like now, all painted with my grage color. It looks so much better than that yellowish tan color that I had previously. I love it. I just so love it. And I left my gray accent wall that I already had, so I have a lighter shade and then I have this darker accent wall over here behind the sofa. So can y'all tell how happy I am about my new flocked Christmas tree? So I bought a new Christmas tree and it is a white 7.5 foot pre-lit flocked Christmas tree. I got it from Michael's. It was on sale and it's gonna be so pretty. I'm so excited about it. And then at Walmart, I found this flocked garland to go on top of the mantle next to it. So I think those are gonna be pretty together. And then from where was that? Big Lots. Big Lots had this tray here. How much was this tray? I want to say it was like $15, but it was really pretty. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen because of the type of wood that it is. It goes really good with everything, you know, in the kitchen. And then at the Dollar Tree, I just got these chargers. Now I'm not doing red this year, but I am going to be working on a traditional holiday tablescape. So I got like 6 chargers, and I'm gonna put something special together using those colors. From the Dollar Tree, I picked up some more ornaments. I love the way that they have the pearls on these ornaments. So I really do like that because, you know, the pearl goes with the theme in here. I also picked up some of my other favorite ones that they have, which are the bling sparkle ones. So I've got some champagne ones to go in here. And then the white ones are gonna go on the other tree in the living room. A bag full of those. At Michael's, I found some ribbon for the black and white tree, and I am gonna be DIYing this ribbon to add some black to it. And where was this? Hobby Lobby. At Hobby Lobby, I got some. This is a rose gold pretty sparkly ribbon, and then this one is a champagne with a strip of rose gold in the middle of it. Really, really pretty. So I like both of those, and they're wired. And then at Michael's, I also got some cones because I am going to have to DIY these for the black and white Christmas tree, because black and white decor isn't really that abundant to find. So I am going to have to do a lot of DIY for the black and white tree. But I am loving all of the new ornaments and the ribbon. So especially these two, I think these are like so pretty and blingy. So that's just some extra stuff that I picked up that I didn't show in my Christmas decor haul. So now my living room is all nice and clean. All the fall is gone and ready for me to decorate for Christmas. The theme in here is going to be black and white with mercury and silver. And I am looking at some light fixtures, so hopefully I can get this light fixture replaced. I do have a few in mind. But in the meantime, I am just loving how clean that it is. And it is ready for me to start decorating with all my pretty Christmas decor. So the kitchen is in complete disarray right now. I've taken out all of the fall decor and none of my vignettes are together yet. But I did want to show you the paint color in here and what it looks like. So all of this has been painted except for the ceiling. I do still have to go across the top of the ceiling and above the cabinets. So none of that has been painted as of yet, but I am about to go ahead and complete that, and I am loving the way that it looks. It looks so bright and nice and clean. I love this color. So same as in the living room, I am looking for a light fixture for in here as well, because this is an eyesore to me now. I really just do not like the way that it is looking, and I really want to update that too. So hopefully I can get that changed soon as well, but we are making progress. We are making a lot of progress in here. And I was able to save some money by painting it myself, so that money can go towards paying for a new light fixture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, Daisies.